Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about the off-page SEO technique, which is email newsletter submission. Always remember that email marketing is one of the important off-page SEO technique, and in the email marketing, what exactly that we do? Now, our business is Click and Capture Studio, right? We do wedding, model and product photography in Hyderabad. Imagine that we do have our existing customers, or maybe the contacts that we have, or maybe whatever the audience that we have in the social media. We will be having all their email IDs, right? Because in the website or maybe in the social media platforms, we will be mentioning some of the contact forms, so that whenever someone fills the email address, we will be getting all their email ID details, right? So that we can exactly make an use of the email marketing. So I will quickly give you one of the example. First, let me open the browser. Here in the Gmail, we do have the promotions, right? We are getting the promotion emails from Binance, Instapaper, Active Search Results and so on. Now just like that, I want to get the promotion message from the Click and Capture Studio. Maybe I just want to scroll completely to the top of the email, and exactly in the promotions we can see that I have received an email from the studioclickandcapture.com, and it clearly says that exclusive new year offer 2025, 10% flat off on all the photography services and use the coupon code Click and Capture 10. Now imagine that I'm the existing customer for the Click and Capture Studio. When I have a look at this particular email, I will be clearly understanding, alright, for the new year Click and Capture Studio, they are giving 10% offer. I have a family member who want to book a wedding photography or maybe a birthday photography. What I'll be doing, I'll be referring them, and then I will be sharing this particular coupon code to them so that they can make a use of the offer which we have sent through the email marketing. And what are the benefits of email marketing that we get? I will clearly explain you the benefits. So here we are seeing that so many people are making a use of the email marketing. So what are the benefits? The very first benefit is direct communication, which means we can talk to our customers directly through their inbox. For example, we have sent an offer for Click and Capture Studio, right? 10% offer on photography events. And also we are building the relationships, like we are staying connected with our audience by sending the regular updates or maybe the special offers. And also the third benefit is it is of low cost and we can expect higher results. What does it mean? Now we can compare the email marketing with the advertisement, Google ads. Now comparing to the Google ads, the email marketing is of lower cost, and emails are really very cheap to send, and we can expect a very great results. And also we can keep the button, right? Now whenever someone clicks on this particular button, it will redirect directly to the Click and Capture Studio, which means we are increasing the website visits. We can add the links in the email so that the people or the customers will visit our website. And also whenever they land on the website, if they really want to make a use of our service, we can improve the business sales, which is very important because we are placing the coupon code Click and Capture Studio 10. It will attract the customers. And finally, we can also measure the results, like who opened the emails and who clicked on the links and who booked the service. Everything can be seen on a website where we can make an use of the email marketing. Now there are many websites where we can make an use of the email marketing, out of which one of the good website is MailChimp. I want to take the copy of the MailChimp, and then I want to open a new tab, and then I want to go to Google, and then I want to search for MailChimp. And here we can see easy to use marketing platform, and then I want to click on this particular website. It takes me to the page where we can see some of the financial information. They are telling like you can send up to 6,000 emails per month, and all you have to do is at the very first month you have to pay 575 rupees, and then from the second month you have to pay 1,150 per month. And if I scroll down a little bit, first let me close this particular advertisement, no thanks, and then I want to scroll down a little bit. Alright, I expected the pricing, but I do not see here. Maybe here I want to click on the pricing, and when I click on the pricing, I want to scroll down. Here we can clearly see the premium option where we have to pay 11,500 per month. For the standard we have to pay 575 per month, and even for essentials we have to pay 385 rupees per month. And but we even do have the free plan. We are not going to pay any amount, and we have a limit of sending the emails to 500 contacts. Now I want to make a use of the free thing, and also if you have time I want you to go through all of the points which have been listed exactly here. So if you are new to the MailChimp, all you have to do is you have to click on the sign up button, and then you have to fill your name and the business name or the email ID and then the password. And once you have signed up, you have to log into the account. Now since I already have the account in the MailChimp, I just want to enter my username, I want to enter the password, and then I want to click on login. It takes me directly to the MailChimp login page or the home page. Now here it is asking me for the login verification, so it is sending the email to my Gmail ID, and then I want to click on send email code. Email verification code has been sent to my email. All I have to do is I have to open the Gmail. Let me quickly open in the second tab. I want to click on these dots, and then I want to click on Gmail. It takes me to my Gmail, and here we can clearly see MailChimp verification code, and I just want to take the copy of it, and then I want to come back to the login page, and then I want to paste it right here, and then I want to click on submit verification. It is so simple, and even during the time of the sign up, an email verification will be sent to your email and you have to accept that. And this is how the home page of the MailChimp looks like. On the left side we can see home, campaigns, automation, audience, analytics, website, and few other stuff. So what is our motive? Our motive is to create an email template, and then we want to send it to our audience or to our customers. So how are we going to create an email template? So from the left side we have to click on content, and from the content we have to click on email templates. And once it is opened, whatever the templates that we have created, it will be shown in this place so that we can make an use of it. And if we have not created any of the email templates, all we have to do is we have to click on create template. And once the page has been loaded, here we can see a lot of beautiful templates, right? But always remember, since we are on the free plan, we will not be able to use any of these beautiful templates. And when I hover my mouse on these templates, I clearly see upgrade to use, which means we have to purchase a plan so that we can make an use of these beautiful templates. But if we scroll down a little bit further, here we can see some of the templates which are in black and white color. We can make an use of them. By clicking on preview, we will be able to see the template, and then by clicking on continue with builder, we will be able to edit the template. We can add the logo, we can add the heading, we can add the description, and then we can customize the button, and then we can even keep the copyright, the year name, company name, and then the mailing address, and also the backlinks, or maybe the links which will be redirected to our website. What I want to do, I want to quickly click on exit preview, and then I want to go back a little bit, and then from the template which I have already created, let me click on this template. I will give you a brief understanding about how I have created. Now I have uploaded the image. All we have to do is we have to click on this particular logo, and then we have to replace the logo, and then we have to upload it directly from our laptop. And also whenever someone clicks on this logo, it have to be redirected to our Click and Capture Studio website. So what we have to do, we have to navigate to the website, and then we have to navigate to the home page of the website. We have to take the copy of the URL, and coming back to the MailChimp website, exactly we have to paste the home page URL so that anybody who clicks on the logo will be redirected to the Click and Capture Studio. And also I just want to close this one, and here I have given the heading exclusive new year offer 10% off on all photography services, and please use the code Click and Capture 10. Now I do have around 100, maybe a 200, or maybe even just 10 people of my customers. I want to send them the emails regularly, maybe once in a week or maybe once in a month, so that they will be getting my emails, and then they will be remembering my business name Click and Capture Studio. Make your events unforgettable with Click and Capture Studio. Book your photography sessions now and get 10% off on any event package. Hurry up, offer valid until January 15th, 2025. And also we do have the button. I did not do anything to keep the button. It is already in the existing template as we have seen earlier. I just click on the button, and then I just rename the button from maybe click here to book now and save 10%. And also if anybody who clicks on this button, it have to be redirected to the Click and Capture Studio contact page. And also right below the button we do have the logo. The same thing I have uploaded the logo and then I have placed the home page of the Click and Capture Studio. And once everything has been done, in the footer I have mentioned copyright 2025 Click and Capture Studio, your trusted partner for event and wedding photography services, and given the mailing address Hyderabad, Telangana. So it is so simple. Once it is completed, all we have to do is we have to click on send test, so that we will be getting the promotion email directly to the email which we have entered. And here I can directly show you, which I have already shown you. I want to click on inbox and then I want to click on promotions, and here we have received an email directly from the Click and Capture Studio. Email marketing or the promotion email, which is very good, right? If I really like this service, I can directly avail the service by click on this particular button. I hope you clearly understand. Now coming back to the MailChimp website, we understand how we can test the email and how we can save once we have created the template. Now once the template has been created, imagine that we have 100 email IDs or maybe 500 email IDs or even 1000 email IDs. If we have a premium plan, we can send directly 1000 emails at one time, but since we do not have, the limit is only 500, so from one email to 500 emails we can send in one go. All we have to do is, the very first important thing is we have to import the email IDs, or maybe I can say import the contacts. And how we can import our audience or our customers or the email IDs? We do have the option here, audience, and I want to click on audience, and here we do have an option called all contacts. And in the all contacts, we can directly click on add contacts on the very top button, and then we can click on import contacts if we want to import in bulk, or maybe if we want to import a single contact, we can click on add a single contact. For now I want to click on import contact. Let me click on it, and here it is giving us three options: import from another service, or maybe it is asking us to upload a CSV file with the proper format. And do not worry on how we can upload the CSV file, or maybe do not worry about the format. Here we do have the videos which has been placed, and all we have to do is we have to make a use of the reference given exactly here, so that they will be guiding us on how we can upload the CSV file, or maybe how we can directly paste in new contacts from a spreadsheet. It will be very easy. All we have to click on this button, it will give us some instructions, and then we have to follow that instructions. For now I want to click on exit. Always remember, it is very simple. All we have to do is we have to just enter the email address in the first column, and then the first name in the second column, third column and fourth column, and then we have to fill in all the details: email ID, first name, last name, and then the address, and that's it. If we have 50 details, all we have to do is we have to fill all the 50 details in the CSV in this particular format, and then we have to import it, so that we will be able to see all the contacts of our audience or customers in this particular place. And once we have imported the audience details, what we have to do? We have to navigate to the campaigns from the left side tab, and then here we will be able to see the campaign. All we have to do is, here we will be seeing one of the button, and then once we click on it, we will be able to see some send button, and once we click on send, it will be directly send all the promotional emails to each and every one of the contact that we have imported. And even if we have multiple categories in the contacts, we will be able to choose the tags. And for now I was not able to see it, because just before 10 minutes I have sent this particular campaign, and where we have already seen how we have received the email in the promotions tab of the Gmail. So it is so simple. I want everybody to follow, and if you have any doubts or questions while you're performing this activity, I want you to comment down right below this video, and I will answer to each and every one of your question. So now in this video we clearly understand that using the email marketing, we will be having the direct communication with the customers, we can build the relationships, and the cost will be very low comparing to the Google ads, and we can increase the website visits, and finally we can improve the sales, and then we can get so many leads to the website. It is so simple. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing, where I have did 100+ videos which will be very simple and short. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.